Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is October 30th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 6 points. Right now they're at 26.49.5 per contract. Yesterday we saw another volatile session out here, and today we started the market off moving higher. Now we are coming right back in. So it looks like we're getting more of the same. Get ready. We're going to get lots of whipsaw. This is the environment that we are in. But we have lots of earnings to talk about. So let's get started here. We're going to start with the first one. MasterCard. Ticker symbol is MA. Stock closed at 191.04. Now trading at 194.50. Again, we'll see how this shakes out today. I don't think there's really a whole lot to do here. But again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. This is a name that will be on our radar. Now, in sympathy, we always want to watch Visa. Visa right now is trading at 134.41. This closed at 134.33. So, MasterCard in play. Visa could move in sympathy if MasterCard makes a big move. Let's move over and take a look at Akamai, AKAM. Stock right now is trading at 68.44. Closed at 62.05. This is a very nice little pop for Akamai. There's going to be some resistance around the $72 and say 72 peers, 72 and a quarter, 72.30, somewhere there if it gets up that high. So keep that on the radar. But great move this morning for Akamai Technologies. Let's take a look at Under Armour. Ticker symbol here is UA. Stock closed at $16.81. Now trading at $18.98. So nice little pop there for Under Armour this morning. We'll see how that all shapes out. But right now, when I look at the stock, I have to think we are probably nearing very good resistance around the $19.25 area. So keep that on the radar. You're going to see a daily chart 100 period moving average right there at 19 and a quarter. So again, that should be pretty good resistance with that pivot, at least near term. So keep that on the radar and we'll see how that plays out. But Under Armour right now this morning catching a pretty good bid and nice little pop, but resistance coming into play shortly. Let's take a look at KLA Tencor. KLAC is the ticker there. Stock is trading at 90 and a quarter. Closed at 85.13. So this is a pretty good little pop here. We'll see how it plays. Again, when looking at this name right here, I have to think when you get to around that $94, $95 area, that's still going to be resistance. That seems to be the pre-market high. So again, we have to get through there, but we'll see how it plays out. Again, a little bit later, not a whole lot I'm looking to do right off the opening bell here. Let's take a look at Pfizer. PFE is a ticker symbol here. Stock is dipping a little bit, closed at 43.23. Now trading at 41.75. When I look at this name, I have to think that it really just got overbought. And when you look at, say, a monthly chart or so, look how this thing has run from 36 to 46, basically in just the last 4 months. So, again, starting to come in a little bit now. Today, as you all know, trading down to around 41.75. So we'll keep it on the radar. I'm not sure where the play would be on this one, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Anywhere in this $41 area does look kind of interesting, but we'll see how it looks once the market opens up for business. Let's take a look at Southwest Airlines. I believe that was downgraded this morning. Stock is trading at 47.26. This has really had a hard fall the last several days, and again, I don't really see much to do here at the moment. My levels for this are much lower, but I will be keeping it on the radar, see if it does get down there. Let's take a look at SNE, which is Sony. Stock is trading at 54.06, closed at $51. So good little pop there for Sony. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. When I look at this, the big resistance level is up around $56.75 to $57. I'm not sure we're going to see it get up there, but we'll keep it on the radar today. This is in play. Let's switch gears to the oil moves here. You have a nice move in BP today. BP trading at 42.54. This closed at 41.03. So all in all, nice little pop there for BP this morning. We'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. If I am looking at resistance, it probably will be around 42.60, 42.70, somewhere around there. And you can see that's what we've been just trading along. So we'll be watching that level closely once the opening bell rings, and we'll see if it can get through there. And we'll find a level in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading a little bit lower today, down $2.70 to $1,224.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at 115.74, down a little bit from the close of 116.31. Crude oil this morning trading lower by 95 cents to $66.07 a barrel. So crude oil down a little bit. You have the USO down at $14, closed at $14.11. So again, we'll be watching this closely. By some chance, if the USO were to trade down to around the $12.80 level, I do think that would be a very good bounce play today. So keep that on the radar. We'll see if that does happen. Again, we have lots of other stocks reporting earnings today. Just can't cover them all. So we just go to the big names, the headline names. But again, we'll have a lot more for you in intraday stock chat room. In fact, we've had a blockbuster year in the intraday stock chat room. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. And again, it really has been a sensational 2018. All right, with that being said, everybody, we're going to wrap it up here short and sweet. I want to wish you all